Hi guys, good morning. I have G63 4x4. Video 4x4 2023 model. So the customer brought it because of this automatic headlight module impassive. So when I put the diagnose, you can see this is the model here. This is 2023 model. So when I put the computer, I put the scanner. Let me off this light off, so you can see the fault code here. The light sensor malfunction. It's because I removed this wire, that is why it's showing it. Let me plug it. So this is the fault code that is complaining here. Rain sensor light malfunction, wrong competent installation, and lost communication with the rain and light sensor. Rain and light sensor malfunction. There will be signal fault or the message is faulty. So when I check on this one, let me try to delete. If I erase this two, will erase because of I removed this wire before for this. So when I scan it with computer, it's giving me the fault code, and the rain sensor is here in the glass here. This is the rain sensor here. So I will try to disconnect the wire now and see if it's going to give me a code. So I removed, let me switch off the engine. I'll remove the wire because this car is new model. You can see only 283 kilometer only. It's new car. 999 kilometer. The car have not drive long. It's new model. So I disconnect the wire now. You can see. Now let me read the code. Because the sensor cannot damage like that. Maybe I have some loose connection or lost contact. I'm scanning the computer. And I have the latest scanner here. Let me show you. This is VCM. You can see CV212. It can do the EV cars. It can do EV cars and any other cars that Chinese car, all the cars. This computer can do it. This EV can do it. Now you can see it's showing the rain sensor fault, rain and light sensor fault, wrong component installation, and communication with the rain and light sensor malfunction. The message will be missing. So this is the message that is related to what I'm doing now. About this one, parking brake, and I don't need this one now. I don't need this one now. So I focus on this message here. So let us just do some things. I don't think this thing will be faulty. I don't think so. Maybe I have loose contact or something. So let me just fix it back and erase the code. Let me fix the wire back and let me erase the code. Let me clear quick erase. So now all is cleared. So let me start the car. See the screen. Now no message. You can see only 1 of 1. Before it's 1 of 2. So now it's okay now. No any other message. And let's scan with computer again. We'll do auto scan. can see, no any other message. It's only because of lost communication. That is why it's giving the fault code. It's not that the car have any other issue. So now the car is fine and the message is only one by one now. No any other message, as you can see. And the car start gives the RPM now. So that's how I solved the problem. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye. Rain sensor. So let me clear the code. I clear the code. Yeah, the light is off. And read again.